okay? Unit standby for a tower. 315 and 314 for a shooting at Century Theaters, 14300 East Alameda Avenue. They're saying somebody's shooting in the auditorium. 315 and 314, there is at least one person that's been shot, but they're saying there's hundreds of people just running around.
We have a report of shots fired at Independence Center. Shots fired at Independence Center.
We're going to definitely need some crime scene tapes out on the lower level, outside of stairs. The victim here is advising he was in a physical altercation with one of them. One of the troopers just approached me and advised that they received a call. One of the shooters might be here in a gray hoodie and a blue ball cap somewhere behind the hospital.
Need a few units for a shooting that just happened at Macy's Clackamas Town Center. 3-35, 8-3, 8-2. It's 12100 82nd Avenue. This is Macy's. Report of a person that's shot. I'm getting a